Hey girls and guys, hey. So in this video right here, we're gonna go over HTML audio, and basically I have a file right here, an audio file that we're gonna use. Is basically just rain. I want to come in here and remove the spaces in here. Copy this so I can write it out. It's an MP3 file. You'll have this same file inside your document, inside your code document too as well. So make sure you go check those out. So the first thing we're gonna do, you're probably thinking, HTML, you can play audio? Yeah, for a long time you actually could not. Until HTML5 came out, which allowed you to actually play audio in through the actual browser. Before this, you would have to play audio from a plugin like Flash or one of those type ones like that. Something you have to install onto there that people would have to have. So that's something new that was brought on to when using HTML5. So it's pretty simple. So basically what you would have, you have a tag called audio, and then you'll have a tag called source. And inside of source, you have the source of the audio, what type, so basically what type of audio is going to be playing, type, and for us it's going to be audio dash MPEG for MP3. And then from there, that's basically all you really need. As we'll see right here in a second. And then if you want controls for it, you'll go into it and you'll add this portion right here into it, which will give you controls. See, and everything will pop up from there. So you have the controls right there. So next thing you'll see right here. So if you don't want controls, remove the controls portion. And if you do want controls, then just add it back. Just add that into the top part of the audio as an attribute. Okay, so the control attribute adds audio controls like play, pause, and volume. The source element allows you to specify alternative audio files which the browser may choose from. The browser will choose the first recognized format. So if you're using a format that's not recognized that much by the browser, such as like a WAV file or something like that, then it will use the file that it recognizes the first. The text between audio and audio tags will only be displayed in the browsers that do not support audio elements. So basically, we will put some text like similar to this right here in there. So if their browser doesn't support audio, and that will only be displayed if it doesn't support audio. So if you load this page up, it won't be displayed. So a couple things you need to know about HTML audio before we get into a little more. Basically, if you really know that there's a couple different ways in browsers support different formats. So Internet Explorer supports MP3, Chrome supports MP3, WAV, OGG, Firefox very similar, MP3, WAV, OGG, Safari, MP3, WAV, and then Opera supports MP3, WAV, OGG. So remember those when you're going through it, and depending on what browser you're going to have. So the best format to use is using MP3. It's the most one that's mostly well accepted right there. So let's go through and let's actually play some music. Make sure you have your speakers when you check this music out. It's going to be a little loud. Make sure you adjust your speakers for this. So we have in the assets, audio, MP3. Let's go get the file. So yeah, we have it in the assets, audio, and then this is the MP3. This is the full file right here. Let's get the file name. And then if this loads up correctly, we should have it over here. Yep, we have it over here. You see the timestamp on these right here. And then you hear the music and everything along that lines when you play it. Pretty simple. So you can do the same thing if you have it on like an external drive. Just put the URL similar as we did before. So as I said before, the audio portion isn't that difficult. Pretty simple. So you need three things, or really two things. You need an audio tag, and you need a source tag. And then inside that source tag, you need to identify the source, the location, the path of where the content is, and the audio type. And then from there, you'll be able to switch out and do everything you want to. If you want audio controls, then you would need to go through it and put audio in there. If you remove audio, you remove a lot of your controls, and it'll just play automatically. So make sure you have controls in there if you want to be able to control that portion. So basically, as far we went through everything on audio in this portion right here. As I said, not too difficult. You really got to just remember those really three things: audio tag, source tag, inside source tag, the source, and the path, and then what type of audio you're going to be playing. Pretty simple from there. So let's go ahead and go over it now to a new video. Go to the next video right there. We're going to go over video, and this is going to be something a little interesting. And then at the very end, we're going to put all these together and create something very cool that you can use in the future. So head over there now, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.